Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we learned relative maxima and relative minima at the given critical value of x for the different type of function. Question number 4 related with exercise number 3.3 FSC Part 2 Mathematics, chapter number 3 higher order derivative. In today's video, I am going to solve the next question number 5 related with the same exercise number 3.3, which is the most important question for the board point of view. So let's move toward question number 5. Find the relative extrema for the following function. There are total two parts. So part number A is f of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1. So first we will differentiate the given function. So f prime of x of the given function will be x cubed derivative is 3x squared, and derivative of 3x squared is just minus 6x, and derivative of 1 is 0. So you know that for the relative maxima and minima are extrema. First we are going to find the critical value by putting f prime of x first time derivative is equal to 0, which is equal to 3x squared minus 6x. Now by taking out 3 common, inside we are left with x squared, or if we take out 3x common, inside we are left with x, and over here we are left with 2, because 3x multiplies gives us 3x squared and 3x multiplied 2 gives us minus 6x is equal to 0. By zero factor property we have 3x is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the solution will be x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. These are the two critical values and the two critical points. Now we again differentiating this function, so it becomes f double prime of x will be equal to 3x squared derivative is 6x and derivative of negative x is and negative 6x is minus 6. Now we are going to find the extrema. Extrema means relative extrema and relative minima are neither. So for this we will put the value of x is equal to 0 over here. So it becomes f prime of 0 will give us 0 minus 6, the result is minus 6. As f double prime of x is less than 0, so when it is less than 0, then there will be a relative maxima at x is equal to 0. Now by putting x is equal to 2 over here, so f double prime of x, so 2 will be 6 into 2 minus 6, so it will give us 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6. As f double prime of x is greater than 0, so when it is positive and greater than 0, then there will be a relative minima at the given value of x is equal to 2. So these are the second relative extrema, and these are the this is first extrema and this is second extrema for the part number A. Move toward part number B and the last part of question number 5. f of x is equal to x cubed plus 6x squared plus 9x plus 2. We are going to find the relative extrema. So take the derivative of both sides. So f prime of x will be equal to x cubed derivative is 3x squared, 6x squared derivative is 12x, and 9x derivative is 9, and 2 is a constant, derivative is 0. So for the critical point, f prime of x will be equal to 0, 3x squared plus 12x plus 9. Divide the whole equation with 3, so over here we are left with 0, and over here if we divide with 3, it gives us x squared. 12x by 3 will give us 4x, and 9 by 3 will give us a value 3. Now factorize the right hand side, so it becomes x squared plus x plus 3x plus 3 will be equal to 0. So take out x common, inside we are left with x plus 1 plus 3 common, inside we are left with x plus 1. So by using zero factor property, x plus 1 will be equal to 0, either x plus 3 will be equal to 0. So the two solution will be x is equal to negative 1, and the second solution will be x is equal to negative 3. Now finding the relative extrema, maxima and minima by taking the second time derivative. So f prime of x derivative is again derivative f double prime of x will be 3x squared derivative is 6x, and derivative of 12x is 12, and 9 is a constant, its derivative is 0. Now putting x is equal to minus 1 over here, so f prime of minus 1 will give us 6 into minus 1 plus 12. It will give us minus 6 plus 12 will give us a value 6. So as f double prime of x is greater than 0, so over here we have a relative minima at x is equal to minus 1. And now putting x is equal to minus 3 over here, so it becomes f double prime of x is minus 3, so it becomes 6 into minus 3 and plus 12. So it will give us minus 18 plus 12, which gives us a value minus 6, which is less than 0. So when f double prime of x is less than 0, then there will be a relative maxima and the given value of x, which is equal to minus 3. So these are the two relative extrema for the part number B. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about FSC Part 2 Mathematics. Thank you.